shop. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to make another cold process soap. And as you can see, I have separated my oils into 3 containers because I'm going to be doing a layered soap. And so when I do a layered soap, I separate them off so I can make sure, and I do them each as separate batches so that I can make sure that my lines are straight. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I have here the pineapple papaya. Oh, from Brambleberry. This smells amazing. It's such a sweet, summery scent. It smells so good. And this is going to be part of my limited summer release, which will be coming up in June. So actually this one will be released in July, but yes, it's going to be limited release. So I'll only make this one time a year, and I'll go ahead and get started. The colors that I'm going to use is Atomic Orange from Nurture, Taxi Cab from Mad Micas, and Ballet Slippers from Mad Micas. So again, it's going to be 3 layers, very simple, no big deal, and we'll get started. In here, I have my oils plus my additives and my milks. So my additives are colloidal oatmeal and white kaolin clay. My milks are organic coconut and goat. So it's just half and half. And then in here I have my lye solution, which is aloe, Tessa silk, and sodium lactate. Oh, and sodium hydroxide, which is lye. So I've already mixed my colors. I pre-mixed my colors in olive oil. I just super fat that. And I think the first layer we're going to start with is going to be orange. And then we'll go with the pink, and then we'll go with the yellow on top. I think that's what we'll do. We'll see. And I'm quite nervous. I think I used the wrong containers for my oils, but we'll see. We'll start off with the first layer, and hopefully I won't have a disaster when it comes to mixing this up. So I'll go ahead and get started by bringing this to an emulsion. Well, first let me mix these up a little bit more. And I can actually add, since it's just going to be one color, I can actually add my colorant now and give it a good mix. I want to save a little bit for the top as a mica drizzle. This is gonna be pushing it, you guys. I probably should have gotten a bigger container. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Do not do that. You guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta get a bigger container. Why? All right, let me get a bigger container. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Crisis averted. I moved it into a bigger container. Don't ask me why I did that to myself. I don't know. But here's a bigger container. Now I don't have to worry. Gonna go ahead and mix this up. Get this a blend to emulsion. And I'll go ahead and add 1/3 of my fragrance oil. And I will blend this up. Now, this fragrance oil it says it does accelerate. I have never used it before, but that's what it said on the Brambleberry website, which is what I want it to do. I'm going to give this another buzz. So I'll go ahead and scrape this off, and then pour it Yes, it does accelerate, which is good. But I want to have a straight line, so I want to have it fluid. Okay. So I might have to get a, what's that called? Thing that goes on top of, you know, to smooth out the cakes. The cake batter, smoother outer. I'm not sure what it's called, but anyway, it makes it to where you can even out your layers, which is what I'll probably end up doing because I do want to have a straight line. Okay, so I have my cake scraper. I'm gonna put this down here and just do, it's actually kind of to go this way. Just to smooth the top or the bottom, because I do want to have a smooth layer. I think I really messed this up, you guys. You know what I'm thinking about doing? Okay. So, okay. What I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna make this a textured layer. So yeah, straight lines weren't gonna work, so we're gonna do a textured layer. All right. So, perfect. It'll probably work out for the better anyway. So we'll just pretend this is what I was going for in the first place. Okay, so now that that layer, and as you can see, this fragrance oil does go fast, so which is fine for layers. But if you were going to do a swirling design, I would probably go with like 2 colors and go full water and go and soak really cool if you were gonna do swirls and such. But I feel like this is a perfect fragrance for layers. Okay, so I'm gonna push this over to the side, and then I'm going to do my second, put that in there. I'm gonna do my second layer. in that texture. Okay, so that looks great, you guys. So what I'm gonna do now is give this, I think I want a little bit of glitter. So this is Sparkle Me Gold from Mad Micas. We'll just sprinkle that on, or puff that on top, spray it on top. Ooh, it gives it a Midas touch. Very pretty. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Okay. And then I'll also give this a spray with 99% isopropyl alcohol. That's going to prevent the soda ash from forming. And then I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. Oh, there's gold dust everywhere. All right, guys, I will bring you back in for the cut right now. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Bada Bean Shop and the cutting of pineapple papaya or papaya pineapple. Not sure which order it's supposed to go in, but you guys, I made such a bad boo-boo with this soap. So there's a big, like, hole in the middle of the top of this soap, and I don't know how it happened, but I guess, you know, when I put the lid on it, because I do gel my soaps, when I put the lid on it, I underestimated how tall it was, and the whole middle came off, which is terrible. But you know, I guess these soaps will be for me. It's on the other one too. So, yeah, those soaps will be for me. And yeah, we'll just get to cutting. So, this is the first time I've ever done that. And I'm a little sad, but you know, I have a whole nother batch. But here goes. Oh, I like it. It's kind of a subtle change from this one to this one, but I like it. It's the 3-layer soap. And so I'll get to cutting. So from, as you saw, this fragrance oil does move rather fast. So the straight layered soap that I had planned, I couldn't do. So I just did, you know, wiggly layers, or layers that aren't so straight. So, but I mean, this soap smells absolutely fabulous. I love it. It's a wonderful summer fragrance. And even though the colors are muted, which is what I wanted the colors to be kind of pale. I love it. So I don't know how I'm going to do with these pictures, because normally what I do with the pictures is I do like a whole, I stand them up and I take a picture of the top. But the top of the soap is not looking, I mean, it's not that bad. There we go. It's not that bad. But yeah, it's unfortunate. Anyway, if you've liked this soap, please go ahead and click the like button. If you'd like to see more,